Mag-harvest na naman tayo. Harvest na naman tayo. So, strawberries is actually so easy to grow. That's why we got so many strawberries in our garden. Kasi, pag malaki na siya, nagkakaroon siya ng saha, which is called runners. So, ganito na siya ang nangyayari. So, pagka gusto kong magkaroon siya ng maraming bunga next year, tinatanggal ko yung runners. Kasi para yung energy, mapunta siya sa strawberry. Kaya lang, sa sobrang dami ng strawberry sa garden ko, hindi ko na makuha lahat ng runners. So, that's the runners. Kaya pang, anuhin ko na lang, tapos ipang siksik ko na lang kung saan-saan sa dami. So, kung mabuhay. But they normally just grow. Was so many strawberries in my 2 gardens. Next time I'll go to South Shields, I will also bring strawberries in my flat. Ilagay ko lang siya sa big pots para ma-strawberry din ako sa South Shields pag napunta ako sa South Shields. Dalhan ko rin ng strawberry si Nanay Estella. Anak, you want to eat that one? My dog loves to eat strawberry. Pero buyag, thank you Lord. At tapos ang dami-dami kong black currants, ang dami-dami kong gooseberries, ang dami-dami kong red currants. Honestly, I am very spoiled with food in my garden this year, which is the purpose of why I am planting lots of fruits.